It's Papa's Kitchen. Alright, you want to see how to make this? Stay tuned. Stay tuned. To start off, we're going to put a pound of hamburger meat in here. I want to thank Brenda over at AOK Foraging. She made some hand tools for Papa Texas to cook with. I really appreciate that. Alright, so right now we're going to go bottom on top. We're going to go with 3 for 3 minutes. Set that timer. And we're using Litos enchilada seasoning mix, and the link to this and the taco seasoning will be down below. It's really good stuff. And we'll make our empanadas. Alright, now we're at the point we're going to add some onions. It's 1 pound of hamburger meat. It's 1 onion. Alright, we'll go another 3 minutes. Let's take a gander. She's starting to spin. Get her chopped up just a little bit. 3 more minutes. Alright. We're at the point. We're going to throw some of this Litos in here like that. Like so. Litos Cocina enchilada mix, as I told you. It's down in the description. And I'm just going to put a little bit of water in here. Just kind of help it out. Alright. Let's go another 3 minutes. Alright. So the meat's at a point, it needs just a smidge more. It smells really good. That Litos kicks it right in the spot. And the onions help. Alright, we're at the time to use this. Alright. I've learned a couple things since the last time I used this. So, real quick, this dough press set, I'll leave a link to it down below. It'll say dough press set link, and you can go to it. But what I found out was the bottom side, you put on here like this, and you press, and it cuts out your circle. Check that out. And you just place it on there. And the second thing I'm going to warn you, when you're doing all the rest of your cook, don't bring your dough out. Leave your dough in the refrigerator. If you saw my last video, or if you didn't, it was pretty funny. It was a little long, but it was pretty funny. But I have down in the description box, it tells you what point to go to when you're looking at stuff. Maddie and I did it pretty wrong. And also this time, I'm going to put a little flour in it. It stuck on the other one. It was a really funny video. Maddie couldn't even quit. Look at that. It's perfect. Okay, know where you're going with it, Papa. And then what we will do, we're going to take another tool that Brenda over at AOK Foraging and Outdoors made me. I'll leave a link down there below if you want to check it out. She'll put your name on there and everything. And so what we do is we're going to fill up one side with this meat. It might be a little too much. Put a little bit back. Then what we're going to do is we're going to add a little bit of fresco queso cheese. Put that in there like that. And then we're going to egg wash for the seal. And we're going to fold. And then we're going to press tight. Get it tight. It'll be a pretty presentation. Check that out. Alright, at this point, we will whitewash or egg wash the outside. We got a little hole there, I see. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Check that out. Look what we got. So you go right here. I'm going to turn it on. I got a 3 up here, got a on down here. Boom. Alright, we're going to go with that. I did turn it up to a 4 for the last 5 minutes or so. That's a 12-minute, or I'm sorry, 15-minute cook. That looks like awesome. Alright, here comes the taste test. Let's check this out. Mmm. Mmm. On spot. You've got. That is really good. Lido's Cocina enchilada mix. Also has taco mix. Links down below. And this thing, I'm learning, y'all. Got bugs out here. Sorry, I'm cooking outside. I'm learning. I'm learning. This stuff is really good. Mmm. Got fresco cheese. Get your son. Yeah. All right, y'all. It's Papa. Papa, Texas. Papa's Kitchen. We'll see you next Sunday. See ya.